with me now. Walk with me now. I'll take you down. Walk with me.
Hey, what's up, everyone? Sorry, I don't have much of a voice. I did earlier, but now I'm trying to talk loud. Let me try that again. Okay, if I talk deeper, it don't whiz. But when I cough, it makes this sound. I'm not coming to you from the road you're normally used to seeing me on in a big rig. Nah, I'm in a travel camper now. We'll show that at a later time, but I can't really talk, so I guess we're gonna wrap this video up. I just wanted to let everyone know that I am alive. Now, I have started a small business, Hi-Fi Video and Drone Service. I do practice regularly on getting better, developing more skills with my unmanned aerial vehicle, aka the drone. So I'm staying at a campsite, right? Here's a short little video of kind of showing the area where I've been at for the last week. Check it out. Pretty cool, right? That piece of footage I actually sold. Well, I traded for some nights here at the campgrounds, but I'm here for the rest of the year, as far as paid up anyway, because I tell you, the monthly rate is a whole lot better than the daily rate as far as these type of campsites. But I've got sewer system, I'm hooked up to the lights, water, everything I need. But down the road is the North Carolina coastline. Here's a little bit of a town called Swansboro that's on the Intercoastal Waterway. Check it out. down very well, but guys, it really wasn't this bad when I decided I was going to make this video, but it's getting progressively worse. So say a little prayer for me. I hope this isn't the coronavirus, but I will see you when I see you. But until then, be safe out there and keep on trucking.